In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know about the bell tower of Saint Domnius Cathedral in Old Town of Split, Croatia. One of the best things to do in Split, Croatia is climb up the bell tower of Cathedral St. Domnius. As one of the oldest Christian churches in the world, it offers a unique blend of religious and historical significance. If you enjoy our videos, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more. You can also click the Croatia playlist link in the description below to learn more about this amazing country. Now, let's dive into the video. Split is a coastal city in Croatia known for its rich history and stunning architecture. It's located on central Dalmatian coast and is the second largest city in the country. Split is famous for its historic old town, which is centered around the Palace of Diocletian, a well-preserved Roman palace built in 4th century. The bell tower of Saint Domnius Cathedral in Split is an iconic part of cathedral and provides breathtaking views of the city and surrounding area. The tower dates back to the 7th century and is one of the oldest structures in the city with a rich history and cultural significance. Visitors can climb up the bell tower to enjoy the views from the top and to see the historic bells that are housed inside. The climb to the top can be challenging with a narrow and steep staircase that winds up to the interior of the tower. Despite the challenge, the climb is well worth it for the breathtaking views from the top. The bell tower is an integral part of Saint Domnius Cathedral and provides a unique and intimate experience for visitors. The narrow passageway and arch openings provide a fascinating glimpse into the history and architecture of the cathedral, and the views from the top are truly unforgettable. Visitors should be aware of any restriction or safety regulation that may be in place, such as limit the number of visitors allowed on the viewing platform at one time, and should proceed with caution as well as wear appropriate footwear. Overall, the bell tower of Saint Domnius Cathedral is a must-see attraction for anyone visiting Split, offering a unique and unforgettable experience that provides a glimpse into the city's rich history and culture. When to visit bell tower of Saint Domnius Cathedral? The best time to climb up Saint Domnius bell tower would depend on individuals' personal preferences and schedule, as well as cathedral opening hours. It's generally recommended to visit early in the morning or later in the afternoon, when there are fewer crowds and the lighting is more favorable for photography. It is also important to check any seasonal or holiday closures in advance and to consider the weather conditions on a day of the visit. Cathedral ticket prices. The price to climb up Saint Domnius Cathedral varies. In 2023, ranges from 9 to 10 euros. The exact cost and availability of tickets can be confirmed by visiting the Split Tourist official website or by contacting the local tourist information center. Tickets can usually be purchased at the cathedral's ticket office on the day of the visit. Some travel agencies and tour operators may also offer packages that include visit to the cathedral. Hope this list helps you organize the perfect trip to Split, Croatia. If you love this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.